Here's what I eat in a day. I've been whole food plant-based since 2018, which means I eat a vegan diet without any processed foods like sugars, oils, or white flour. Which doesn't mean that I don't get any dessert, as you'll see. But it means I can eat huge portions without gaining any weight. If you want to give it a try, you'll see you'll probably lose weight in the beginning without exercising, which is a nice little benefit. I start my day with a green or white tea or coffee on weekends. The rest of the day I drink water. My breakfast contains raspberries, blueberries, sour cherries, barberries, oats, milled flax seeds. I also add a few almonds, seasoned with many spices. You can find our whole biomuesli recipe on our profile. Then I add a kiwi, an apple and half a kaki. I pour hot water over it and let it soak. My lunch is a stir-fry with edamame and lots of vegetables. Check out our last video for the full recipe. Best part! Dessert. For dessert, I'm having some creamy pralines. Follow us to see our next video with the full recipe. For dinner, I'm having a salad made of kale, rocket, purple cabbage, celery, sweet peppers, seasoned with lots of spices, and topped off with walnuts, goji berries, and chokeberries, as well as our creamy French dressing. You can find the recipe on our profile. It's very cliché, but I love my salad. Right after my salad, I'm having a mandarin, a pear, and an orange.